So welcome to London. I'm here with a good friend of mine, Stephen Manley.
Hello.
He says we find ourselves at the launch in London, the RedefinePossbile launch, and one of the things that was introduced today was EMC ProtectPoint.
Woo!
And EMC ProtectPoint, as Stephen mentioned, is, in our perspective, the future of backup, the introduction of truly backupless backup. So Stephen, say a little bit more about that.
All right, so if you think about architecturally, the customers always complain about two big flaws in backup. Flaw number one, it's really slow and expensive. Crushes your primary storage, your application server, your network. You're doing full backups relatively frequently. It hurts, and it hurts when you try to do a recovery even more. So problem number one, slow and expensive. Problem number two is it's proprietary, and it really walls off the data from the app owner or the end user. It puts it behind this sort of backup team wall where nobody really knows where it is. And so if you think about that, the customers say, look, I want you to solve those two problems.
Okay.
You look at the heart of ProtectPoint, what does it do? Number one, all about performance. It's fast on backup, even faster on recovery. Number two, open native formats, leaving the tools accessible for the app admin, more visibility to the storage team. It's sort of taking it out of the backup basement and really exposing it to the rest of IT. So this is the first step towards, I think, entirely redefining what we do.
So we've talked about 10 times faster backups, and from a cost efficiency perspective, because you're reducing the amount of backup software you use and reducing the amount of backup infrastructure, up to 65% savings in backup. Pretty good.
And I think the other cool thing in this is it really taps into what Guy talked about at the EMC World Keynote, which is our sense of rolling thunder. So a couple of years ago, we started doing really a lot of backupless backup around VM, right? All the performance optimizations and whatnot that we did there. And then the last couple of years, more and more on direct app applications. And we did domain boost for enterprise applications, database applications, etc. So this is just another step in the rolling thunder, changing how people do their data protection. So huge moment for us. This has been 2.5, 3 years in the making. And I think the other cool part of this is it really shows that EMC as a company can actually come together across divisions. This wasn't just us. It was the VMix team.
Sounds good. Exciting news. So speak to you again soon.